Welcome back guys, WIF channel. Today we'd like to talk about a dogwifhat with USDT trading pair with my customer Krasa. What's going on now? First of all guys, around here I mark, so most likely we will drop and sweep the 55 cents low, 50 cents low, because we almost lived this one. Yes, 55, it was a low. And we bounced, yes, we bounced like pretty strong one. But I mark, when you see, just like experience, just my personal experience, when you see some token on the perp or on the spot, stop it at the top or at the bottom at the round number, right? You can be sure like 90%, so we will come back and sweep that number again. And this is a way why I'm more than confident on the perp, on the Binance, BTC will hit the new all-time high again, because we stop it here at January 12th. 20, we stop it at 110, round number till penny. So just imagine how, if the crypto market traded 24/7 all year, how everybody trades. So London session, Europe, United States, Asia traded, how it even possible? So some asset like a BTC stop it at the round number. It's unreal. It's unreal. So not even cents, not even a penny. We not hit the higher or the not stop at the lower. That's why everything what you see on the chart is programmed before by some soft, by some bots on centralized exchanges or by market makers, guys. That's why if we leave it here, this round number most likely will hit another high. If we use also the BTC one, the CMA, what we can see here, technically we come back and close to the weekly gap here. So yes, I will talk about the WIF, but I want to show you just some examples on a BTC. So technically this gap are closed. Not a full fill, but closed. Done. What we get a monthly? No gaps. So here, this one like not a gap. Monthly full fill, it's not a gap, but we can drop to 74.30 or 74.300. Maybe one day we will, but daily time frame, no. Technically also no gaps, all gaps closed, done. So no makes sense to drop lower basically, but we can. And if we can, we do. So the WIF, with the WIF, the situation kind of weird because of stuff around the Solana. Yes, Solana crashed, all meme coins crashed. I mark that I believe in a new all-time high for WIF. Yes, it can be the trap, it can be the, I don't know, maybe just my wishes. I'm not buying the WIF. I'm not buying. I'm not speculating. Maybe I will buy with leverages, right? If we will drop to my zone of interest, because my zone of interest for dogwifhat is here. This is what we can see. Why we can drop lower, for example, from 59 cents to 39.70, because BTC dominance, not because of this token will dump or so. No, because of BTC dominance, if Bitcoin will start to recover higher, right, to new all-time high, you can be sure the money will inflow once again into BTC, not into alts. So 100%, guys. And you can love it, you can hate it, but we can drop faster, bounce, and when we will hit the new high or at least 0.5 level by FIB again, the money can rotate in the BTC, or firstly pump the BTC, and after that we will see the healthy move like regular markets when the money outflow from the BTC and inflow into Ethereum and meme coins. Because in 2023 we saw the shift, the trend change. So the meme tokens pump it first, and after that the BTC follow. All other tokens lay down. And that was crazy. So the meme tokens generated money, revenue for the traders, for the investors, and the BTC. And everybody who, like me, include myself, who stuck it in altcoins, just wasted the time. So of course the altcoins I think will recover back, not that much like everybody's waiting for, right? Definitely, but I think we will pump, and dogwifhat can pump from these current prices. Take a look. This is a weekly time frame, this is a monthly. So technically monthly we close the gap. Of course the higher time frame, the strongest signal, right? So it's no make sense, basically no make sense to drop lower because we already closed the full fill, but we can, or we can drop it later to this block. We're not so far from that slow, but here we stop at 50 cents and 2, so not a round number. You see, you can imagine how many limit orders was at 50 cents round number, or 49.99, but we stop it. And we bounce at 78.80. So what we can see next one? Next one, it's at least $1.72, this one. $1.72, the monthly gap. Next all-time high, and I think it's more than real to see, it's $7.23. I'm not building a crazy some expectation for this one. And if you think it's some crazy gains, guys, it's just 1000% gains. Not a big deal. Not a crazy gains, right? That's why, guys, I build a realistic price targets, realistic expectation. Drop can be to 38 cents or even to 4 cents. Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's real because it's 27 zone. You know, we work with that zone. So like this is a top, there's support, bounce, rejection 78, stop it at 0 level again, bounce it, reject, drop. So 27 block is here. I will buy maybe with the leverages, with maybe second, third leverage dogwifhat if we will drop to 18 level by FIP to test it. If we're not, I'm skip it. I'm more than okay with my spot position. I can trade intraday, right? So I'm not chased to buy every single dip, because after that dip we can see another one. Like, you know, technically also on a daily time frame, when you see a million times explaining to you, this is a compression. Sooner or later we're gonna recover back and close at least 50% of that compression. So it's around here, $2.52. So it's more than real. It's more than real to see. So it's nothing special, right? With that drop or without, we can move like this one, maybe go into the bear market. Who knows? Who knows? We can't know what will happen with the SOL, but I don't think so. You know, the era of SOL meme tokens is finished like this one. Not so brightful, right? Not so brightful, not so like Afria right, around. Take a look. With my customer side, I did the direction market more. This was a distribution. This distribution, the warrants, it dropped. So this is accumulation. So technically, the beginning of February was accumulation, and we formed that warrant, see? And now we're just a little bit over the middle. We can pump higher, for example, hit new all-time high and form the bigger the warrants on a weekly time frame. Take a look how the market capitulates. So it was a free all this time period. Since the leasing December 2023, all this in period A3, everybody's screaming we go into the moon. And from end of January till now, we're in disbelief. Capitulation on the weekly. It's really a bullish. Yes, bullish. We're at the bottom, but it's a bullish signal. With another leg down or with another leg like sideways, we will bounce anyway. But you remember, safety trade. 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposits if you don't want to risk your assets, your money, your capital gains, and leave free tokens. Simple. I don't know why the people build so complicated strategies. Because of greed, right? So the people always want more. It's not enough. But the problem is not with the gains. The problem is the initial capital. Take a look. This was a sell on the weekly time frame on a max, 1-2 weeks. Money outflow. Here's the money inflow, 1-2-3 weeks. Take a look. April 2024, money outflow. January, February 2025, money inflow. So this is how the money rotating, right? And how they manipulate the price. So we were at the top, no money inflow. So now it's much better time for accumulation. And trade on and take profit indicator. Sell, draw, buy back, bounce, buy back, no signal to buy or bounce. Daily time frame. By the way, the weekly no data on take profit. Daily, we trade on the female value. So the best case scenario, of course, guys, is technically like this one, to buy the cheaper one. But I'm not sure. We get a signal to buy, bounce, recommendation, close position. So this is a one way and this is a second way. If it's a comfortable price for you, 59 cents and 3, you can accumulate it now. Take profit now, it's $1.93. But at 0 level, you can easily withdraw initial deposit. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about a dogwifhat? Do you think we will drop below the 38 cents or we will recover back from this current prices? And how high do you think we will recover? My take is at least it's $2.52 and $7.23 all-time high. I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my customer, because I want to show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Tech Up channel. See you next time, guys.